Hello everyone, my name is Tadea Murphy and welcome to my week 1 Anatomy and Physiology 2 lab video for Bio 240. Today I will be demonstrating a how to digitally label pictures as well as any other assignments for your lab. I will go over here and see you have access to your email. I then will open up my drive for my Google Drive. I would then go to New, scroll down, and sorry for the noise in the background. We go to More and then go to Google Drawings. After you open up your Google Drawings, you're going to go to Insert. And first, also make sure you have pictures saved to your drive. That's pretty easy to do. I won't explain that. And then I'm going to pull up this picture here. So this picture here is the posterior and anterior microscopic view of the pituitary gland. So this side is the anterior and this side is the posterior. What we will be labeling are different hormones and cells located within these glands. So what I normally do is first we'll start with the anterior side. This is the anterior. So with the anterior, we're going to be labeling the acetophil cell and the basophil cell. The acetophil cells produce GH hormones and PRL hormones. They are non-trophic, but the GH hormone, which is the growth hormone, it can be non-trophic or trophic, but the PRL hormone is non-trophic, I'm sorry. And then for the basophil cells, the hormones that they produce are all trophic, and it's the FSH hormone, the LH hormone, the ACTH hormone, and the TSH hormone. I would simply explain all those hormones, however, don't quite have enough time. So let's get to the labeling. So what I do is I hit this little text box, and I start with normally just putting the words of what I would label first, and then we will connect the arrows later. I do a highlight of red and then bold it so it can be easily seen. So we'll start with the acetophil hormones, and we'll just put, so we're labeling the acetophil hormones, or the acetophil cells. So I'll put acetophil, and then I'll go back to the text box here again. And then I'll do the red and make it bold. And then next I'll do the basophil. All right, and then in the posterior view of the microscopic view of the pituitary gland, we have to label the nucleus of the pituocytes. So then I would then type nucleus of pituocytes, and then just highlight it like this, and then red and bold. Next, I would then use my arrows and point out the actual cells and nucleus. So I would go here to the line tool, press this drop box and select arrow. Once I select arrow, I'll then label. So with the acetophil cells, they're the red cells that are located in this picture. So we're just going to draw an arrow. If you can see like the red cell right there, it's like right there in that area. And then I also make this red as the arrow red as well. And then the basophil, they're more like the blue. So I will go ahead and point my arrow to the blue, which is the basophil. Excuse me. And then for the nucleus of the pituocytes, it's these over here, right here. And the nucleus will be located in the middle of that. And this up here, once again, is the posterior pituitary. Next, after I do that, I would then hit this text button here. And then I would just drag, I'm sorry, not the text button, I'm sorry, this button, the arrow button. And then I would just drag the appropriate word to the arrow. So remember the acetofield is the red stained. Just drag that there. The basophil is the blue stained. And the nucleus of the pituocytes are up here in the posterior pituitary. After that, I would then, once that's done, this is how it's supposed to look. Once that's done, I'll file. I either download the attachment as a PDF document or a JPEG. Let's do JPEG. Once it's downloaded to the JPEG, it pops up like this. I right click, copy the image, and I paste it to my document. All right, you guys, thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you next week for week 2. Bye.